Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you how to make a bracelet. A bracelet. Yes, I did say a bracelet because I'm going to teach you how to make a bracelet like this, but not like this. Let me explain. So you know how like there's a lot of people making these bracelets with string, right? Or not string, but it's like fabric or something. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really awesome. I've been addicted to making them. They're amazing. I love choosing different colors and expressing myself with different colors and stuff. And so I'm really excited. As you can see, I'm really excited. But first, I have to say, give this video a like and a thumbs up, which is the same thing as a like. I'm so stupid. Subscribe down below and push the notifications button down below to get notified whenever I post a new video. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here's how I make this bracelet. You can see it's like really thick, and it's a really good bracelet. I really love these colors. They are beautiful. So I have this on here, this little paper clip, or I don't know what this is called, but I have it on here, and I have this tape under as well, because it really keeps it stable and secure, because you don't want it to be flopping around whenever you're making your bracelet. So I have my notebook. I usually put it on this notebook. It's a really good notebook to use. Like, I really suggest using these and not different ones. So what I usually do whenever I make a bracelet is I kind of tilt my notebook to the side, and I divide them. So you get all of the strings. You gotta make sure they're in the right place. So next is white. Next one is light blue. The next one is cyan. I don't know. Okay, so here's what you need to do. To make this kind of bracelet, you need to take these two first ones. So it's red. This is pink. So this is pink, this is red. I know they look really similar, and it was really stupid of me to put both of them. So here's what you do. You take the white and the red, and you hold the white still, and you get the red. I usually like to hook it around a finger, so this is what is happening right now. So I hook it around this finger, so it makes like a 4, right? And then you bring this one down underneath, and then you bring it back up. So then you let go of that, so it's kind of hanging, and then you pull it like this, so it should make like a fish or something. I don't know how to explain it. And so as you just do it, you get a lot faster, and it doesn't have to be a perfect 4, but something you do have to do is do it twice. So that was once, do the 4 once, do the 4 twice. So you have to do the 4 twice on each strand of string or something, and so you just have to do that. And this type of bracelet does take time. It really does depend though on how much colors you use. Like if you just want to do 2, then I guess you can do 2, but it really does depend on the 2 colors. So that was one side done. So I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to move on to this side over here. So I'm going to do this real quick, and then I am going to get back with y'all, and I'm going to show you what to do in the middle. Don't do the middle yet. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to put this to the side, so you've done that, right? But you need to mirror it on the other side. So then I just separated these into little individual things, and so this should be the mirror of this. So you need to start with this and end with it. So that's kind of how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then I will get back to y'all. Right, so I'm back. I just did all of these so I can straighten these out. I do like to straighten them out like this and just kind of have them all straight, so that next time I can just separate them and do it a lot easier. So you need to have 2 reds in the middle. They're both red, same color. I love this color. So separate them like this. And so what I like to do is I hold this straight. I get this one and I put it over this, so it's a 4. It's like a weird 4. So then you take it and so it should be like this, but you have to, sorry. So you have to do it up. Don't do it out like this, because that ruins it. You have to do it up. And you do it so it makes a 4. Again, a different 4. So you just kind of switch, and then there, you have a little row. You can't really see it that well because it blends into the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and do another one, and I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look. But I'm going to do it faster than I usually do. And I'm just going to kind of record myself doing it so that you can see how it goes. Alright, so this is my finished, well, I guess not finished, but this is like what the outcome was. And so I started here and I got pretty far. I think I messed up a bit, but it's okay. It's okay. It still looks pretty good. I like it. I love it. And it's really pretty. And so that's kind of how you make it. If you need any help with it, just comment and maybe we could talk about it and I can help you with it. I will eventually make a video on how to make this one. This one's more simple and easier to do. So I will make a video on that later, but definitely hit the subscribe button and like the video, and hit the notifications bell down below to get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!